Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. First of all, ooh, I got my hair did. What do you think? Anyways, obviously, as you can tell from the title of this video, I'm letting my husband Jake do my voiceover of my tutorial today, and I'm sure he can't wait to make fun of me. We'll see how that goes. Oh, what is that? I don't have Jake with me here right now. He is at work. I'm filming this video in advance so I can get it filmed and edited and ready for him tomorrow to do the voiceover. I've got this really fun bright pink look for you today, and we'll jump right into the video right now.
And I'm back so that people will actually watch this. No, I'm just playing. We're gonna put this primer on our face here. It's like $10 right there. Look at that. You gotta rub it in. Yeah, rub it in. Alright, so basically what you do is you rub a bunch of shit on your face after you point it up there, and this is the thing that is supposed to make you look tan when you're not. Am I allowed to say you fucking Indian? Or is that racist?
Do not.
I'm Indian, I can say that.
Mm-hmm.
And then you get the little squishy ball and you just kind of tap it in, dab it in. You don't want to sit there and mix it too much because it looks like she's just tapping. I don't know. I could have got golf clubs with all the stuff you bought for this. Oh, this is that stuff, the blemish stuff. Yeah. And you put it in the T-zone. So you made an arrow. Did you mean to make an arrow? And again, you just kind of tap it in. You have to also open your mouth like that too, or else it doesn't work. And I didn't even see what that was. Something else that was really expensive. Did you tell everybody how much you spent on that Ulto thing?
No, we're not talking about that.
We're not talking about the amount. Heard.
No. Everything was on sale.
That doesn't mean we saved anything, baby.
You're not... Okay, I'm not talking anymore. You're supposed to do this.
Okay. See, you use the dark one. How come it looks better?
I use way less.
No. What are you doing to your nose?
You're supposed to explain that to them.
She's put. I don't know.
Make shit up.
Okay, we'll do that. See, yeah, she's not doing that right. She's supposed to use a brush. What are you doing? How much of your face that we see is real? And you gotta make sure you comb your eyebrows, because nobody likes a chick with funky eyebrows. And then you color it, because again, like I said, absolutely nothing on this is real. And then you gotta comb it again. Because let's face it, eyebrows are a deal breaker. And this is Vivid Baked something, I don't know. You gotta put it on your face over all the other stuff you put on your face. And how much shit do we put on our face? It's the same spot. And we're gonna pick that one because that's the one she pointed to. And we're going over the same spot we just went over. It's a round of golf on your cheeks, baby girl. And here we go. Fit me. Fuck me. Same spot. Okay.
Oh my god.
And then we gotta color the eyes because that's the one spot we haven't really hit yet. Bet you we're gonna do more than one coat on it. And we're gonna do this pink one. And just get over the eyelid. Over half the eyelid. Not the other half, because that's, you know. And again, same spot, different color. I guess we'll blend another color. Oh, different spot. And now we've got like 5 shades on our eyes. And we're going with purple because I guess that goes with pink. Oh, it's under the eye. Well, that's good. And this is the eyeliner. And we're putting on the eyeliner. We're going to do our winged eyeliner, which professionals can do. Isn't that right, Katie? Camp. And we're doing it very easy. And we're using this thing to color our eyeball. Because, yes, now we curl them. Oh, the eyelashes, we curl the eyelashes. Cannonball, which is waterproof. And it makes your face black, or your eyes black. And you gotta make the weird face, because it doesn't work if you don't do it. Lipstick. 1 coat, because this is good stuff, without the black outline, which I told you in my video we did that. I'll have to show you how to do it again. And we are running out of this stuff. We're going to spray our face with it, because for some reason, and then you got to fan it off, because it was hard work. Okay guys, subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. I'm pretty sure you're going to see a thumbs up here shortly. There you go. And follow me on Instagram, Facebook, whatever you want to do, at Amanda Winks. Boom. Right on. And she just keeps talking. Wow. Bye.